This is Sarah one more time at Bob Moore Cadillac of Norman, and today we are going to be using the parking assist feature. So this feature is going to assist us when we are trying to back into a parking spot or parallel park. And some of the things that are fantastic about it is that the vehicle sensors are actually going to make sure that this is a spot your vehicle can comfortably fit in before telling you to park in it. So you're not going to get halfway parked and realize you can't do it. But this will also open up the opportunity, especially when you're parallel parking in cities, that you can be sure your vehicle will fit into a spot that you otherwise may have not felt certain about parking into. So the vehicle is going to assist with braking. It is going to completely steer itself. My job is to be prepared to help with braking and to shift from one gear to the other. So I do have to be in drive. Then I'm going to press this button here, and I will be able to choose parallel or perpendicular parking on the right or left side of the vehicle. So here, if you look outside, I've actually already picked this spot right next to between the Tahoe and the GMC Acadia, and I am going to progress, and it will take me past the parking spot. I want to kind of hug the left side, and then after I've passed that spot, it's going to tell me to stop and put it into reverse. So use the electronic precision shift, put it into reverse, and I am prepared to brake. So I am going to do this in 3 points. It's going to back me up once, pull me forward to straighten up, and then back me up again. I do still want to be aware of pedestrians. I do still want to be very aware of everything around me. And then from here, now it says drive forward slowly, so I'm going to shift it into drive. Again, I am not touching the steering wheel. The second that I touch the steering wheel, it is going to deactivate the parking assist feature. It tells me to stop, back up slowly, and be prepared to brake. Again, this is going based off of the vehicles around me, using the sensors on all sides of the vehicle to park me. So rather than basing it on the lines of the parking spot, it is going to completely go based on the other vehicles. Now I'm done. I just shift to park by pressing the P on the electronic precision shift, and what you're going to see is that I do have space on both sides of the vehicle for the passengers and the driver to get out comfortably, and it's going to center me between the vehicles. So if you have vehicles that, one's really close to the line on your driver's side and the one on your passenger side is really far from the line, it is going to center you between the vehicles, so it will give you a very safe parking spot.